Imagine standing outside on a clear night, gazing up at the sky. The moon hangs there, glowing brightly, casting its silvery light across the landscape. You might notice that sometimes it looks like a perfect circle, while at other times it appears as a thin crescent or even a half moon. Have you ever wondered why this happens? Why do we have moon phases? At its core, the moon phases are a result of the moon's orbit around Earth and the way sunlight illuminates it. As the moon travels around our planet, the angle at which sunlight hits it changes, leading to the beautiful variety of shapes we see. The entire lunar cycle lasts about 29.5 days, and it can be broken down into several distinct phases. 1. New moon. This is the starting point of the lunar cycle. The moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, making it almost invisible to us. It's a time of new beginnings, often associated with setting intentions and goals. 2. Waxing crescent. As the moon begins to move away from the sun, a sliver of light starts to appear. This phase symbolizes growth and potential, encouraging us to take action on our new intentions. 3. First quarter. At this stage, half of the moon is illuminated. It's a time of decision-making and overcoming challenges. The light we see is a reminder that we have the power to shape our paths. 4. Waxing gibbous. More than half of the moon is now illuminated. This phase is about refinement and preparation. It's a great time to evaluate our progress and make adjustments as needed. 5. Full moon. The moon is fully illuminated, and it's a breathtaking sight. This phase represents culmination and fulfillment. It's often associated with heightened emotions and creativity, making it a perfect time for celebration and reflection. 6. Waning gibbous. After the full moon, the light begins to decrease. It's considered a time to reflect on what we've accomplished and what no longer serves us. 7. Last quarter. Again, we see half of the moon illuminated, but this time it's the opposite side. This phase is about letting go and making space for new beginnings. 8. Waning crescent. The moon is now just a sliver of light, signaling the end of the cycle. It's a time for rest, introspection, and preparation for the new moon. So, what causes these phases? The moon orbits Earth approximately every 27.3 days. However, due to Earth's own movement around the sun, it takes an additional 2.2 days for the moon to return to the same phase, resulting in the 29.5-day lunar cycle. As the moon travels, the angle between the Earth, moon, and sun changes. When the moon is on the same side of Earth as the sun, we see a new moon. As it moves away, more of its surface becomes illuminated, leading to the various phases until it reaches the full moon. Moreover, the moon's gravitational pull affects the tides in our oceans. This connection between the moon and Earth showcases the profound impact celestial bodies have on our planet.